Hello kids, I am back again with my question answers round of Letter to the Children of India. First question. What does P.T. Nehru like to do? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्या करना पसंद करते थे? P.T. Nehru likes being with children, talking to them and playing with them. What does P.T. Nehru forget? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्या भूल जाते थे? P.T. Nehru is with children. He forget that he is terribly old and very long back he was a child. Why does P.T. Nehru wants to give any advice to children? P.T. Nehru doesn't want to give any advice to children because they already have enough of this form through their teachers. What does P.T. Nehru want to do in the company of children? P.T. Nehru बच्चों के साथ रहना क्या करना चाहते थे रहकर क्या करना चाहते थे? P.T. Nehru want to visit all the nurseries and corners of India in the company of children. What did P.T. Nehru send the children of Japan? P.T. Nehru ने जापान के बच्चे के लिए क्या भेजा? P.T. Nehru sent a elephant to the children of Japan. Name the three countries of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru visited. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru visited America, Canada and England. Why does P.T. Nehru call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru call the words as greatest fairy tales? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू संसार को सबसे बड़ी परियों की कहानी क्यों मानते हैं? पीटी नेहरू कॉल्स द वर्ल्ड greatest fairy tale because it is full of natural beauty and adventures. Only we must have eyes to see, ears to hear and mind to understand them. How was the elephant sent to Japan? हाथी को जापान कैसे भेजा गया? The elephant was sent to Japan by sea. What does Pandit Nehru says about the people who fight with each other? पंडित नेहरू ने उन व्यक्तियों के बारे में क्या कहा है जो आपस में लड़ते हैं? P.T. Nehru says that people who fight with each others are foolish. They should be more sensible and become friendly with each other. What does P.T. Nehru hope and wish from the children of India? P.T. Nehru भारत के बच्चों से क्या आशा करते हैं, इच्छा रखते हैं? P.T. Nehru hopes the wishes the children of India to be friendly, wiser and more sensible. The world itself is the greatest fairy tale and story of adventures explained. ये संसार स्वयं में ही महान परी कथा तथा साहसी कार्य में की कहानी है. Children are generally told fairy tales. They are surprised to hear them. The tales increases the curiosity of the children. They discover new things in them. The world itself is the greatest fairy tale. It is the great story of adventures. The story is very wide. If we travel in the world, we shall see wonderful things. Our country is little world itself. There are various places for us to discover. P.T. Nehru was traveled a great deal in countries. Still he had so many mountains, gracious rivers, flowers, birds, trees and stars which we never changed to see. Thus this world is a fairy tale. Only we must have eyes to see and ears to hear and minds that open out to the life of the beauty of world. Why does P.T. Nehru country is a little world in itself? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने क्यों कहा कि हमारा देश स्वयं में एक छोटा सा संसार है? Our country is very wide and vast. It has beautiful plains and on the other hand has beautiful highlands and deserts. There are large and small rivers. We see different climates in other countries. There are beautiful trees, hillsides, flowers, increase and changes seasons and brings life and colors to us. This is why P.T. Nehru says our country is a little world in itself. What is sometimes the attitude of people of one country towards the people of other country? कभी कभी एक देश के लोगों का दूसरे देश के लोगों के प्रति क्या रवैया होता है? Sometimes the people of one country hate and fear the other country, people of another country. If it is their foolishness. If they obey other people in friendly way, they will also become friendly. Pandit Nehru advised them to be wiser and sensible. Why was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru called Chacha Nehru by children? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू बच्चे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को चाचा नेहरू क्यों कहते थे? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू loved the children of India very much. He liked being with them and talking to them. He liked playing with them. When he was with the children, he thought himself as a child. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru went to other countries, he easily made friends with children there. When the children of Japan asked him to send an elephant, he fulfilled their wish and sent an elephant. He celebrated his birthday as Children's Day. Children celebrated 14 November as Children's Day. Thus, his love for children made them call him Chacha Nehru. What does Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru accept the children's over? वर्ल्ड ओवर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पूरी दुनिया के बच्चों से क्या आशा करते थे? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू लव चिल्ड्रन वेरी मच. ही एक्सपेक्ट्स दैट दे शुड कम in contact to nature, affectionate and friendly. They should be more sensible. They should open their eyes and ears and beauty in life they surround them. When they grow up, they should go to other countries as friends. If we meet other people in friendly manner, they also became friendly. There are simple truths which the world has known for ages. Children should understand these simple truths. Thank you.